Hello students, today we are going to see Standard 7th Subject Maths, Chapter number 12, Practice Set 46. In this, we will see the two types of formulas. So, area of right angle triangle will be half multiplied by product of a side forming a right angle. So, that means area of triangle will be half multiplied by base multiplied by height. And next formula is area equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now let's see the first question. A page of a calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? So now, as you know, calendar is having a rectangle shape. So length, that means how much long it is, 45 centimeter, and breadth, that is width, 46 centimeter. And what is its area, you have to see. So in this we will use area formula. Now let's write the given in this. Length 45 centimeter, breadth 26 centimeter. Area formula is length multiplied by breadth. Or you can write area of calendar. So length is 45 multiplied by 26. When you will multiply these two, you will get 1170 centimeter square because area is there. Next question, let's see. What is its area of a triangle with a base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? So one area is there and of triangle. The base is 4.8 centimeter and height will be 3.6 centimeter. Now let's write the given base 4.8 and height 3.6. So area of triangle half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So half as it is, base as you know that is 4.8 and height is 3.6. So you have to multiply this two, you will get 17.28 and half. So let's cancel it. So as you know, 2 8s are 16, 1 carrier, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12, and here 2 4s are 8. So 8.64 is the answer. Centimeter square you have to write. Now let's see the third question. What is the value of a rectangular plot of a length 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter wide, broad, at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? So now a rectangular plot is there and its height is 75.5 meter long and breadth is 30.5 meter broad. And what you have to see, how much meter, first we will see the how much area it is having, and after that the rate will be of 1 square meter will be 1000 rupees. So when you will find area, at that time you have to multiply with 1000. So now let's see. Length 75.5 meter, breadth 30.5 meter, rate 1000 per square meter, or you can write PER per also. And the value of plot you have to see first and then area. So let's see the area, length multiplied by breadth. So length is 75.5 and breadth is 30.5. So you have to multiply these two. The answer will be, as you can see here I have multiplied. So answer will be 2302.75 square meter. Why square meter? Because area is there. Or you can write meter square. Now let's see the area of plot. Area of plot will be the area which we have written here, this, and multiply by rate. So area that just now we have taken out, that is 2302.75 multiply by 100. So you will get this much. So in this we have to see the third sum. Now let's see the next. Now I want to show you that why this thing has come. So as you can see here decimal is there, so 100. So as you know, there's two numbers 1 2. So you will cancel this 100 and point will be removed. So your normal answer will be in this way. See here. Now let's see the fourth question. The rectangular hall is 12 meter long and 6 meter broad. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall, and how many would be required if tiles of square 15 centimeter were used? So now in this we have to see a rectangular hall is there and its length is 12 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So on the floor you can see 30 centimeter one tile should be. So all tiles will be how much? And next same thing you have to see with side 15 centimeter one tile. So let's see the answer. So write first given 12 meter breadth 6 meter. So as you know the area formula, length multiplied by breadth. So length is 12 and breadth is 6. To 12 multiplied by 6, 72 meter square. Convert meter into centimeter. Why? Because square tile is having a centimeter. That's why we have to convert into centimeter. So 72 multiplied by square is there. So that's why 100 multiplied by 100. So now what will be the answer? Centimeter square. This much. Or you can do in this way directly. You can convert into centimeter and this also into centimeter. As you can see, 12 will convert into centimeter. It will become 1200 and 600. When you will multiply with 100, you will get when you will multiply 6 with 100, you will get 600. Okay. So now let's multiply this 2. You will get this much centimeter square. So same answer is coming. Otherwise you can do in this way or in this way. So let's see the in case 1. That means in 30 centimeter tiles. When square tile of side will be 30 centimeter used, the area of square tile will be a square. As you know the square formula, a square, or you can write side multiply by side. So 30 multiplied by 30, you will get 900 centimeter square. So now the number of tile required, area of rectangular hall upon area of square tile. So as you know the area of rectangular hall just now we have taken out, that is this much, and next that is 900 here. Now let's cancel the 2 zeros from here. So now what remains? 7200 upon 9. So when you will divide, you will get 800. Now let's see case 2 of 15 centimeter. So when square tile of side 15 centimeter use, the area of square tile will be a square. 15 multiplied by 15, 225 centimeter. Now let's see the number of tiles required. Area of rectangular hall upon area of square tile. So same thing, the area of rectangle, first only we have taken out this much, and the area of square, that is 15 multiplied by 15, 225. So when you will divide this, you will get 3200. Now let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is also very easy. Last question of this practice set. Find the perimeter and area of a garden with measure as shown in the figure alongside. So as you can see this type of figure, now in this they have given you 13 meter, 13 meter and 13 meter. So obviously all side will be of 13 meter, 13 meter and 13 meter, because this sign only indicates that all side will be 13. So the figure has 12 equal side with 13 meter each. So all equal side is how much? 12. Let's check it out. From here we will see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 equal sides are there. Now let's check out the perimeter. Perimeter equal to 13 multiplied by 12. You will get 156 meter. Now let's see the total area of the figure. So 5 multiplied by side square. Total area of a figure we have to see. So how many area is there? So as you can see this one box, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means 5 boxes are there. All side will be equal. So square box is there, so you will see the side square. So 5 multiplied by side square will be 13 square. So 5 as it is, as you know, the 13 square will be 169. So when you will multiply this two, you will get 845 meter square. So in this way we have to complete this practice set 46. Thank you, students.